In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screen capture using your Chromebook or your Chromebox. So if you go down here to where the time is and you click on that, you'll see there's an option right here called screen capture. When you click it, it brings up options. So the first option is right here to take a full screenshot. So click anywhere. So see when I move my mouse, it turns, you can see it looks like a little camera. And if I click, it'll take the full screenshot. So that gives me everything. Now let's go back in here. So that's the first option. The second option is to take a partial screenshot. And that's the one usually that I use because I just want a certain area here to grab. And then right there in the middle, you capture and boop, let's go back in and look at that last option. So this last option is the tab. So you would take the entire tab. So see in the thumbnail right there, you can see that I have, it grabbed all of my tabs also. Okay, so let's go back in one more time. All right, so those are the three options. If you notice, you can also record your screen. So if I click this, sort of slides that over, and now I can record the screen. Just know if you're going to do a screen record, I'm using Screencastify right now, but I could be using this. You want to go into your settings because the microphone, the default setting for the microphone is that it's off. So you just want to make sure that you turn your microphone on if you're doing a whole screencast thingy. When you capture the picture, it saves it automatically to your downloads folder in your Chromebox or your Chromebook. But you can update that. So if you click on the gear, you can select the folder where you want it to save. So you could say if you want it to save it in the cameras or a different area, you can. Or you could say that you want it to save it to My Drive. The default, see how the default now says Google Drive? I'm going to actually change it to downloads because I like the idea of saving it in my downloads instead of going straight to Google Drive. But that is an option. I just wanted to tell you guys that that is an option. So super easy. Very convenient. It's built right into the Chromebook or the Chromebox is how you can take a screenshot. So yay. All right. Have a great day.